Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see your Google Meet recording. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access your Google Meets, and afterwards go ahead join to one of your meetings. Once you are in your meeting, you're gonna go ahead, scroll down this taskbar of yours and tap on this screen recorder. And now go choose media and mic and tap on start recording. Now wait till the countdown completes, and now you can see our recording has been started, and whatever the activity we do, it will record all since we have chose the mic as well. Once we are done, tap on this stop icon on top, and now our recording has been saved. You can simply scroll down our taskbar and tap on this video saved option. It will show us our video right there in our gallery, or we can simply cross that out. We can simply remove all of it and go to our gallery, and we can see our particular recording is just right over there. That is the way we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.